Welcome to the post-game press conference. We are joined by our winning coach, Coach Chito Victorero, and our best player of the game, Jerry Canmisi. Coach Chito, it's a good bounce-back win from that loss in your recent game. And earlier, we talked about how the problem in your previous losses were the execution down the stretch. Ano kaya, Coach, yung assessment mo sa execution and the way your players close out this match tonight?
Yeah, I told them, first of all, I would like to thank the Lord Jesus Christ for this W. And I told them before the start on our preparation that all failures or yung mga setbacks namin, ang importante naman is how we want to bounce back on our next game, which is this game nga. And we did very, very well, especially on the strong start. We start very strong. We play on our pace, and I think our defense dictate right away. And yun, naghawa-hawa na lang siguro lahat. And but at the second half, because of the siguro medyo nag-relax din ang konti. That's why I think they scored more than 30 points per quarter in the second half. So, yun. So, kailangan, I'm very happy. Medyo, yung second half lang, medyo siguro nag-relax na yung mga bata. But overall, proud and happy.
Thanks, Coach, and congratulations. Jerry, this is a career high performance for you. And you know, it's one thing to have several 3-pointers and it's another to have several 4-pointers. How would you explain the process of being efficient and being able to be confident in shooting from the 4-point line?
Well, I think the efficiency comes from my practice every day. When I'm going to practice early and kind of staying after, trying to get shots up and just trying to improve my game every day. And trying to make sure that my teammates trust me enough to give me the ball during the game. And then the confidence comes from my coaches. My coaches, my teammates, they're all telling me to keep shooting, even if I miss, just to focus on the next shot. So I think the confidence comes from my work and then from my teammates as well.
Now we open the floor to our friends from the press.
Coach, congratulations. Tuto na kayo dito sa Group A. Medyo shaky yung so far. How important itong win na to before yung last game sa first round, then into the second round.
Actually, we set our goals on this conference, and we're in the right track. I mean, those losses is a 50-50 chance, and we have another chance in the second round. But the thing is, we need to competitive and we need to beat those teams na kailangan namin siguro talunin. And we have a 50-50 chance on those teams that are on top. So right now, we're in the right track and we meet our goal. So we need to prepare for our next game, which is the Northport. But again, early in the conference, ito naman siguro yung medyo, of course, we want to be on the 3-1 or 4-0 positions, but right now, we're still happy on the 2-2 positions than 1-3 or 0-4.
Well, thoughts mo na kay Glenn yan, the double-double tonight. Good start din for you.
Yeah, like actually si Glenn may food poison yan, so medyo talagang hirap siya, and that's why we managed the minutes of Glenn in this game. And we talk about the improvement, we talk about how we help the team more on scoring, rebounding, and assisting, to be a versatile player, to be a all-around player. And it's a process, and we want Glenn also to learn more dun sa mga games namin na natalo kami at saka nanalo kami.
Jerry, you hit 7 4-point shots this conference. I think you're the leader right now, and more than the shots made by Boldy. Just your thoughts on being on top of the statistical category?
I think, like I said earlier, it's just about my consistent work every day and trying to improve, and also being open to learning from my vets on the team. They're really open to teaching me and guiding me every day on how I can be better on both sides of the floor. So being able to talk to them really helps me out during the game.
Coach, congrats. Coach, well documented naman na yung hard work ni Jeric in practice. Pero for you personally as coach, how satisfied are you na nakikita mo na nagmamaterialize na yung hard work na in game?
Yeah, I think sabi nga ni Jeric, it's all about hard work. Actually, kami pa ngayon pumipigil dyan minsan dahil early morning he will shoot and then after practice, shooting pa din. So, we want him na sana mag-rest para meron siyang energy sa game. But, yun ay mapigil. So, that's why, yun lang, lumalabas yung mga ginagawa niya sa extra practice niya. And, of course, we're very happy, especially the coaching staff, na this yung patience namin sa kanya lumabas na, and it's need to be consistent, and I always told him na it's all about the two-way, it's all about defense and then his offense. Wala namang question doon sa offense niya. So right now we're trying to build Jeric to be a two-way player. We want him to learn how to play point guard, two guard. So it's a learning experience, but really proud and happy ako sa kanya dahil lahat ng challenge na nagawa niya.
Coach, hingi lang po sana ako update on Jerome Lastimosa when will he...
Si Jerome, sabi niya sa akin, nag-start na siya mag-playo. And by this month, he will start siguro by running. And ang goal is October or November, makasabay na siya sa practice. But definitely, he will not play for this conference.
That's it for our post-game press conference. Thank you, gentlemen.